Hi, I'd like to tell you about this set of essential oils. I received this as a gift from the brand ASAKUKI so that I could use them, try them out, give you my opinion about them. ASAKUKI is a Japanese brand, and if you translate that word to English, it means air of the morning. So I think that's really cool. So there are different sets that you can get. This is the well-being set, and the vials are each 10 mLs, and you get 6. We've got happy, relax, calm mind, immunity, air freshener, and sweet dreams. So you might be questioning, what does sweet dreams smell like? What does calm mind smell like? And so what they do, this is really cool. They use a blend of anywhere from like 3 to 4 different essential oils in the exact perfect ratios to come up with the perfect scent for each of these things. So for instance, Sweet Dreams has frankincense, orange, lavender, as you might expect, and so that one then has all of those scents combined for going to bed at night. And it's the same with all of these. They all have like 3 to 4 different blends, making each of them unique. So I use these in my ASAKUKI oil diffuser, and they're just so nice. They smell so good, and they really have done a great job for me. So you could also use these like candle making, soap making. So these are so good, and I like that it's a set of 6. So yeah, thanks again. I do recommend these.